Welcome back to Western New York Living. How many of you are thinking about doing some spring cleaning around your house this weekend, or maybe over the next few weeks? Or should I ask, how many of you are dreading the thought of doing spring cleaning? Well, there's no need to worry about cleaning your house this time of year, because Custom Made Cleaning is here to help. Joining us this morning is Colleen Gasparo and Miranda Giglio. Ladies, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.
Custom Made Cleaning, 30 years in the business.
Yes, ma'am.
And you guys really know your stuff. Tell me about your services.
Well, we do all kinds of things to give people a little bit of free time or spending with their families, vacations, whatever you want to do. You don't want to be cleaning. So we come in and we do, we can run the gamut from doing deep cleanings to spring cleanings, fall cleanings, bi-weekly, weekly, monthly, whatever you want. If it's just a one-time cleaning, we're there. Move-ins, move-outs.
You do it all. Now, what if somebody's watching right now and they've got the first communion, the graduation party coming up, where everyone's going to be in their house and they're like, I need help?
Yeah, I mean, we can come in. Hopefully, it's not too last minute of a notice, but we can we can fit you in. Usually we can do that, but a little bit of notice is always good. And we can come in and, if you just need your downstairs cleaned for the event, or, you just need your bathrooms cleaned, something like that, whatever help you need, we can do.
I love that. And Miranda, tell me some more about the cleaning services you provide, not just for residential, but small offices too. And I can't tell you how many small offices I've seen where they need your help. So
so we're cleaning businesses now, and we treat a business like we treat a home. We know that's, like a person's second home. So we really get in there and we clean the exact same way that we do a house.
But don't you think it's so important for a business to keep the workspace clean, because less sick days for their employees and everything?
Oh yeah, I mean that's extremely important for businesses.
And for the customers too. If you're coming into a business and it's dirty, you might not think as much of the business.
Yep, exactly.
In terms of spring cleaning needs, Colleen, tell me a little bit about what people should be thinking about when they're spring cleaning. What should be really be thinking about?
Really, you want to think about your air vents. We don't vacuum them out, but you have to get all the dust off of the outsides of them. Your switch plates in your all throughout your house. The windows, the window tracks, things like that. That you have them. They're closed all winter long. You're going to be opening those and using those. You need to, get behind your furniture, pull your furniture out, get behind it. All the dust that builds up from your heating vents that get all over the walls and the, your baseboards and whatnot. It's, you have to look at all of those things.
And Miranda, of course, Custom Made Cleaning, licensed, bonded, insured.
Yep, licensed, bonded, insured. We know that's really important for our customers. We run background checks on all of our employees because we know that our customers want that peace of mind.
And let's talk about Mother's Day, because you have gifts. This is the best gift ever, a custom-made gift certificate.
Yes, you can give flowers and candy, all that kind of stuff. All good. But this, I'm telling you, it's going to get used. They're going to love it. You have so many people you can, give this to. Sisters, somebody that's expecting a baby that just can't do this thing.
Oh, that's such a great baby shower gift.
And, new mothers, things like that. They're coming home from the hospital, like, oh my gosh.
Do they just call Custom Made for the gift certificate?
Yes, and you can go online and purchase them as well. We've had people purchase them for, like, a group will get together for a shower gift for an expectant mother, and
I'm never going to let you go without a quick tip, a cleaning tip.
Okay, so I was thinking about this because my daughter just recently, my other daughter Val, just moved into an apartment, and she has a dishwasher now, but it was really bad inside. I'm thinking dishwashers might need cleaning too. So you have to check the drain first to see if it's plugged up or anything, and then you put a cup of vinegar, white vinegar, in the top rack. Let it run through on the hottest, shortest cycle, and then you put baking soda at the bottom of it, scrub it in a little bit, make a little paste with a little bit of water, run it through again on a short, hot cycle. It comes so clean. And when you're spring cleaning, you can put your switch plates in there, little light fixtures on the top rack, small window screens, rubber boots. You can put everything in your dishwasher.
She knows her business. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you very much.
Custom Made Cleaning is your go-to service, keeping your house or business clean year-round. You can save $50 when you sign up for weekly or bi-weekly cleanings. For more information on all the services they provide, visit custommade-inc.com. You can also give them a call at 775-0820. Remember, now is the time to get your Mother's Day gift certificates, and don't forget to like them on Facebook. Now coming up, if you're tired of leaky gutters and downspouts, Leaf Guard of Western New York can help. They'll be joining us to discuss their one-piece seamless gutter system, which can eliminate gutter cleanouts for good. Western New York Living will continue.
Special consideration for today's show paid for by the following: